Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. I am your trainer Kazi, and in this quick tutorial I would like to show you how you can save Microsoft Excel worksheet into PDF format. Okay, take a look at here. This is my worksheet and I have calendar here, and I would like to save this calendar in PDF format. So to do that I will have to go to the file option here. Now click as save as this PC desktop, and now take a look at here, save as type Excel workbook, and I'm going to change this into PDF. Now click save and done. Your worksheet is saved in the PDF format. You can see here. Let me show you one more time. Take a look at here. This was our worksheet and this is now converted in PDF format. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.